Daily Advice from the Heart by the Dalai Lama, Day 239, Meditation on Anger. Recently, when I was in Jerusalem, I participated in a debate between Israeli and Palestinian students. At the end, a Palestinian said that everything was fine right then, while they were in dialogue, but as soon as they were on the street, it was different. When the Israeli police arrested them, they would be furious and view the Israelis as their enemies. They were wondering what they should do. They discussed it a little and had the idea that they should consider the other as an image of God. One of the students said, "Each time you are in front of a man who has harmed you, whatever that harm has been, think that that person is an image of God and your anger will dissipate." Isn't that a good idea? That was actually